The Help menu can be used at any time to assist you with all aspects of Now Reach Softphone. Click on the Help menu and select About to see the application version you have installed. Click on the Help menu and select Help, or you can press F1 on your keyboard to have the online help open in a web browser. You can see the help topics on the left-hand side of the screen that you can select, or you can press on the search icon and enter in your search text and press Enter on your keyboard to see the search results. Click on the X in the web browser window to exit the online help. The last option in Help is Diagnostics. You may be asked by our support team to go into this menu and click on Collect Diagnostics. This will then collect data that may assist us with resolving your support request.